get low when the whistle go.
Where am I going?
Okay, we're gonna go to discount. We're gonna do a full circle, all three of us, around the parking lot, and then we'll head to the gas station, alright?
Cool. Sounds good to me.
I don't know where we're going. Why am I in front?
Okay, remember how I said we're going to discount?
Oh.
I just said that.
I forgot.
Alright, come on, boys.
I'm a woman. Man.
Careful, Lucia. Okay, good. You still know the basics?
It's a car. It'll hit you. Do you know the basics? Are you kidding me?
Alright, well, Keith is off. Here we go.
Okay.
And off!
Alright, Lucia.
Following you, Will.
You got the basics down, right? Here's your next step.
Right on it. Ready, watch this. Woo! I did it. You missed it. Sorry.
Wow, she really is one of us.
Alright, Lucia, I'm gonna do my intro.
Okay. I'm here for this.
Okay. What is up, you guys? It's me, G. Welcome back to another video. Today we've got an interesting video for you. We are here with Lucia. Say hello, Lucia.
Hello, Lucia.
Okay. Well, and now you can tell why she is Keith's girlfriend.
And I just stalled my bike. It's fine, though.
So proud.
Oh,
How did that even happen?
did you spill gas all over the place?
No, it was like just fine, and then all of a sudden a bunch of it shot up out of nowhere. Like I was already
That's
going
what she
for 5
said.
seconds. Okay.
Got him.
Got him.
Thanks, Lucia.
You're welcome.
I don't like to litter.
1 hour late. Okay. Not acceptable. I'm telling Mom.
No! La-da-dee, la-da-dum.
I'm with Will. He's really dumb.
That is true.
Lucia, do you want to do the neighborhoods, or do you feel like comfortable enough to We'll go slow.
Confident.
Good.
I like it.
I am scared as hell.
No, you're not.
No.
You are
Right
confident
the
as
first
hell.
If it helps, you can take the lead.
No, that doesn't really help at all.
Let go. My ego. Let go of my ego. Let go of my ego.
Shut up, Keith. Alright, Keith, show her the real way to stop.
Alright, I got you. Just speed up first, right?
Speed up first.
Oh my god, I heard that in the Sena.
Alright, Lucia, at the next stoplight, just slam it.
I'm
Into
gonna
the
go
car in
with
front of you.
No for me, dog.
How you doing, babe?
Good.
Should I get over?
That's going in, isn't it?
Alright, Lucia, now you stop with style.
I'm gonna pass on that
Yes,
now.
style.
Yeah, look at me, tippy toes.
Like I was
You're tiptoeing on a Z.
These are like way taller than Groms are.
Are they?
Like way taller, dude.
I need to get
That's
this
weird.
thing lowered or something.
That'd be cool.
Or get a Grom.
Or get a little bit taller.
Ooh, good idea, Will. Oh my goodness. I'm dating him. I feel like I'm going slow. Why do I feel like that?
Because you're on a Z?
Shut up! Is this what today is going to consist of?
Welcome to the squad, Lucia.
Okay, now I'm getting nervous.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Oh.
Stay confident.
It's just like driving, except for you have to shift and you're on 2 wheels and you have to watch out for more traffic.
Wow, that made me feel so much better.
You're also much smaller. No one can hear you. They don't know you're there, and there's gravel everywhere.
Okay. Do you think I'm ready for one hand, guys?
Oh god.
I'm doing it!
Stop it.
Oh god!
Yeah.
She thinks she used to watch your videos, and now she's in one.
How's it feel,
Oh my
Lucia?
gosh. I feel great. To all my fans out there.
Don't have any yet.
Okay.
It's okay, your fans will come, Lucia. Your fans will come.
Okay, and I'll be waiting for them with open arms.
Oh, by the way, if you don't follow her on Instagram, it's right here.
Whoops, I accidentally put mine up.
That guy's checking out your bike.
Hey,
Easy, Keith.
do whatever you want, man. We're saying you're out on the road doing it. You're riding the bike life.
Whoa, you're doing it on the road? Come on, guys, get a room. I love that you can't speed away anymore. It's literally just Grom.
I'm doing a flyby.
Thanks for the warning, Lucia.
Why are you so far up?
I'm sorry, I couldn't speed away.
Oh, hello.
Hello. I was going to kill switch you, but you'd probably find it difficult to turn the bike back on.
No,
so
I know how to
won't.
turn the bike on. Thanks, Will, though.
Okay.
Stop, wait.
Wait, what's on the back of your helmet?
Gromie Bear?
Hey! Always plugged. Oh, shit.
Guys, we have to get on the interstate.
No, dude. Come on, dude. We're screwed. We have no other option.
You'll be just fine.
Just don't think about how fast the car... Okay, shut up.
Okay, stop. Yeah, shoving me on the interstate on my first ride.
Alright, here's how the interstate works on a Grom.
Are we getting off on 180th?
Yeah.
And you don't have to yell, I can still hear you.
I feel like I'm gonna blow away.
You won't?
Is that how you want to get rid of her, Keith?
Take her right here and take a brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Well, it's red, but close enough.
Follow the red brick road. Damn it, dude. The road is closed up here, too.
Let's just try it, man.
Alright, fuck it.
Okay, what?
Come to the squad. Road closed, road closed.
What? You can say that again.
I wish. This road isn't even closed. Look, it's perfectly fine.
Ow, this hurts my head.
How does
And I have to go to the bathroom.
that... This is a bad road for that. Oh,
my
shit.
God.
Hopefully that's not a sheriff.
Don't worry, he looks friendly.
Guys, I really don't think we're supposed to be back here.
Oh, he's just laying mines. We're good.
Guys, I'm actually on a bike. On the road.
How's it feel?
It's like the moment before you put it in, but like...
It's one of us.
Yep. Oh my god.
Oh, this guy's about to get a rude away.
Oh, he said fuck it. I like it. Woo!
Oh my gosh, you guys are so loud, like it's unbelievable.
You're loud.
Your exhaust blew hot air on me, Will.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh. We're approaching a stop.
Oh god.
Where are we?
Approaching a stop.
Oh my god.
Hi, Keeper.
Hello.
Hello. I should probably roll on the throttle to like go, right?
How'd you even make it here, Lucia?
I actually have no idea.
Then well.
Oh, look at the new CBR. Oh, man.
It's okay, you can get one later.
Okay.
And lock my handlebars. Actually, Keith showed me how to do that. I didn't know how to do that. Look, guys, I have a dad helmet.
Alright guys, while I'm in here looking at all these mods and stuff, you guys gotta let me know what I need to add to the Grom. Kinda want to change the Grom up a little bit, start putting some new things on, so just post in the comments below what you guys want to see. Alright, so as you guys can tell, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 more people. So we're gonna go ride. It looks like it's about to rain, but we're just gonna pretend like it's not going to. Alright, so let's go ride.
Where is everyone that I know? I'm terrified for my life right now. Ahead of me, I don't know where Will is.
Alright, Lucia, I'm on your left.
Okay, my left.
Yeah,
Your other left, there you go.
Excuse me, sir, your blinkers on? Excuse me, are you turning? I didn't think so.
No, looks like Olivia.
I want to ride with no hands. Can I do it?
Lucia, just learn the basics first.
Let's wheelie, everyone.
What? No, it isn't.
That guy looks like a Fortnite character.
Dude, I love how they came out with the motorcycle character. It fits me so well.
What kind of bike is that? A Super Hornet.
A Super Hornet.
Oh my god.
Jesus, you gotta be quiet.
Yeah. Wait, where are we going again?
On an adventure.
On an adventure.
Sam is throwing kisses. She wasn't even cute. No girls are cute anymore. Not even a girlfriend.
Good answer, Keith. Good answer.
Good answer, Keith. Sorry, Arthur. Oh my god.
And if he was gonna pass the 600 on my Grom.
I win. Oh shit, Lucia!
Ah!
Who is this to her?
What is Sam doing? He's dabbing at every car.
Did he just honk at me? Did he just honk at me?
Come on, Arthur. Arthur! Okay.
Chill out.
I know. Okay. Hey, she's a new rider. Just take it easy.
That was a loud honk. That was rude.
That is what riding motorcycle is like. You get a lot of people who just get pissed off for no reason.
Oh god, Lucia, you really did it now. Take it easy, man. She's a new rider.
You're like, what is he doing?
Sam?
I got a phone call. Hello? Alright, well, I don't have a phone call.
Huh?
Hello?
Oh, hello, hi. We weren't talking sexually.
Oh my god. My Sena just beat. Please don't tell me it's dying.
I think you're dead, Lucia.
I'm dead. Bye, guys.
Finally got her out of here.
Oh my god! I will haunt you.
You will honk me?
Haunt you!
Honk?
Why would you honk at him?
Why would you honk at me?
I'm disconnecting from you guys.
No.
Nice. Finally got rid of her.
Don't wave to the cute girls, Keith. I saw that.
Oh, it's him! I think I know her. Her name's Harley. Her name's Harley. She works at Twin Peaks. It's like Hooters, but for rich people.
Uh-oh. You're done. Oh! Rip. Sorry, Lucia. He's gone.
Fine. As long as I have my bike.
He's the passenger. I just got to see it.
Anyway, we're actually the person in front.
Alrighty guys, I'm going to end today's video right here before it starts raining on us. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys leave a like. I'm not finished yet. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!
I want that Spider-Man hat.
Oh god, he did a dab too long. He's stuck in dab mode. He's stuck in dab mode. Nurse, I need no, no.
Guys, seriously.
Oh, I'm losing him. I'm losing him. Too much dab. Too much dab. He's gone. Time of day. And these are my friends. That was fucking great.
Let's go.
Good seeing you, Sam. Oh, god damn it, that's twice. It's been a rough day.
Nice work, Sam. Oh!